Hello everyone! Shilajit, often referred to as mountain sap or mineral pitch, is a unique substance found primarily in the high-altitude regions of the Himalayas. Formed over millennia, it arises from the slow decomposition of ancient plant matter under immense pressure and specific climatic conditions. This intricate process results in a dark, tar-like material with a distinctive, slightly bitter taste. Shilajit's composition is complex and varies depending on its origin. However, it is consistently rich in fulvic acid, humic acid, and a wide array of minerals, including iron, zinc, magnesium, and various trace elements. These components contribute to its diverse range of potential health benefits. Traditionally, Shilajit has been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It is believed to possess rejuvenating properties and is often used to enhance overall well-being. Modern research is gradually unraveling the scientific basis for these traditional claims. Studies suggest that Shilajit may offer several potential benefits, including the potential to improve cognitive function, such as memory, focus, and learning abilities. This may be attributed to its potential to enhance neurotransmitter function and protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Shilajit may also help boost energy production within cells, potentially reducing fatigue and improving overall energy levels. This effect could be linked to its ability to enhance cellular respiration and improve the utilization of nutrients. Some athletes and sports enthusiasts use Shilajit to potentially improve endurance, strength, and recovery. Studies suggest that it may increase the production of ATP, the primary energy source for cells, which could enhance athletic performance. Furthermore, Shilajit is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, it may possess anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for various health conditions. Some studies suggest that Shilajit may help modulate the immune system, enhancing its ability to fight off infections and diseases. It is important to note that while research on Shilajit is promising, more studies are needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action and establish its clinical efficacy for various health conditions. The quality of Shilajit can vary significantly depending on its source and processing methods. It is crucial to purchase Shilajit from reputable sources to ensure its purity and safety. While generally considered safe for most people, Shilajit may cause side effects in some individuals, such as digestive upset, nausea, or allergic reactions. Shilajit may also interact with certain medications, particularly those that affect blood clotting or blood sugar levels. The effects of Shilajit can vary significantly from person to person. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.